today. It's really windy though. I don't know if it'll be for us or against us, but it is looking windy. Hopefully you're gonna get about 100 and it says 130 again on the map, but I think I should be able to shave a little bit off with better routing, but that's kind of the plan for today. So, oh man, I hope the wind's with us because it is looking rough. Here we go. That's me. What do you do? You guys munching? Halfway done on the day. Been moving actually pretty well today, so hopefully that continues, and second half is coming up. If you don't recognize this, oh, there's something wrong with you. Look at this classic right here. Squidward Tentacles house from SpongeBob SquarePants. What a masterpiece. Just finished today, 119K. Made it right outside Albany, right by the airport, so pretty good day. I think we are like 380-ish K away from Maine, from where I'm going, so we'll see if we can make that in 3 days with 3 longer days, or make it a manageable final day, like a really long final day, or it might be 4 days. So I'll see. I got 2 spokes on my back wheel. They're not broken, but they're super loose and the wheel's just shaking. So I don't know, I'll have to assess if I need to get that fixed or if I'll be able to limp it in, but things are just all coming down to the wire here. The bike is just not in good shape, but it'll be good. I'll be out in New York tomorrow. I'm just sick of the New York drivers, man. Lots of them are just ignorant to the fact that I'm allowed to be on the road there. It's the bike route, and they're just getting right close to you and flipping you off and swearing at you and honking. It's just like, oh, I'm just sick of that. But that's today, and thank you for watching. I don't know, I'll see you tomorrow. Keep her not so bad. Bye now.